Okay, welcome back once again. We discussed how to purchase a domain in our last lectures. So in these lectures, we are going to purchase our hosting so that we can then have both domain and hosting, whereby we can be able to set up our website. So first and foremost, let's open our favorite browser and let's go to aptechg.com. Please always go there and then make your purchase, because that will help us to keep this good content coming to you for free. So then once you get here, you can just click view courses. And if you are in view courses, then you just click start a course for free. So in here, just scroll down, because you already have an account, just log in. So you need to sign in again. So this is the video, the first video, and in that order, the second video is also the third video. So we shall be uploading all the videos one by one, so that you'll be able to learn at your own space. So once you are in our video section, just click on this link, which is the link to where you can buy the domain and hosting. So already we bought the domain, so now we are going to buy the hosting. So just click on this link, and then it will take you to NameCheap. Now, once you are here, we want to buy a domain. So in this instance, what you need to do already, bear in mind that you already have a hosting, a domain. So you are now looking for a hosting. So you see that immediately after the domain, there is another tab, that's a hosting. Click on share what? Hosting. So you click on share hosting. And in the share hosting, you can see that we have so many plans, and we have monthly. So even if you don't have money to pay at once for a year or 2 years, you can pay for a month. And every month you will be paying $2.88. So, but in a year, this amount, this $2, because you are paying it at a go full 1 year, they have reduced it to 1.58 per month. So in all, you'll be paying somewhere $18. So which is much cheaper, because that would be 100 and something dollars, and not necessarily paying a 2.88 per every month, because this 2.88 every month is almost 20 Ghana cedi. So if you are going to multiply 20 Ghana cedi by a year, you are going to get some huge sum of money, almost 250 Ghana cedi. But if you are buying it at a go, 1 year at a go, with this 1.58 per month, then you will be spending somewhere 115 Ghana cedi, which is not up to even 120 Ghana cedi. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on get started. So this one will be okay for us. So we are clicking on get started. And you can see that we have the total for the 1 year is 18.44 cents. So, and here on top, they say domain name collection. Now, it is very important to take key notes in whatever we are going to do here. Now, here they are saying that new domain name. We are not selecting this one. We are going to select existing domain name, because we already purchased a domain name. So you select this domain name, existing domain name, this tab, and then you scroll down. Then when you select it, they will ask you to log into your portal. You know, when we were buying the hosting, the domain, we registered, and that registration, now you are not going to register as a new user, because you already have an account with NameCheap. So you are now going to log in with your username and password. So you just click login. So you put your username. So you can say the same thing. So I'm putting this is my username and then my password. So you also put in your username, the name you used to register the account when we were buying the domain, and then you click sign in and continue. So as soon as you sign in, they are sending us email verification. So let me just get my email to verify my account. It's a security measure. So my account, and they'll send you a code in your email for you to take it and put it inside the verification field to verify your account. So this is it, confirmed. So I'll just click on that to open it. Sorry. So now, if I scroll down, you can see this is the code they've sent to me. So I'll just copy this code, Control C, and come to the verification code field and paste it. Then afterwards, I just click submit. And you wait for, okay. So you can see that I've logged into my portal, and your username will be appearing here. Now that we have logged in and then everything is set, you scroll down again and then use NameCheap domain name. And when you scroll down, you can see that your domain name will be appearing here because there's only one domain name. So your domain name will be here. That will be the only domain name there. So what you need to do is to connect this domain name to the hosting. So you click connect to hosting. And once you've connected to the hosting, you will scroll down and then add to cart. So that this means that this domain is now connected to the hosting you are going to purchase. And I'm buying $18.44. So you wait. So you can see in my cart here, the amount there is 18.44. But even if you are here and you cannot pay the 18.44, which is almost 120 Ghana cedi, you can click on this 1 year and select 1 month. And when you select 1 month, then the amount you'll be paying will be $2.88. That means that every month you'll be paying this amount. Other than that, they are going to take down your hosting. So but we are purchasing 1 year. So I encourage, if you have the financial muscles, pay for the 1 year, which is much cheaper than the monthly billing. Secondly, it's because of the money. That's why we made this course totally free, so that you can use your little money that you have to buy the domain and host it. And that is the only thing you need to buy in this course. So once everything is set, then you click confirm order. So wait then for the processing of our payment. So now that everything is set and done, because I've used my credit card already, all my information has been taken. So there's no need for me to provide my credit card again. So I'll just leave everything as it is and continue. Okay. So now you can scroll down to make sure that everything is intact. And once everything is intact, you can then just click pay now. So but you have to agree to terms and conditions. So click terms and agreement. I have read and agreed to all NameCheap terms of services and agreements. So you click on check on that box, and then you can click on this pay now or the down here, whichever one you click. Sorry. So you wait and then now it is processing our payment. And once I have money in my account, then everything will be successful and I have money. So let's wait. They are saying that we are processing your order. So let's wait patiently for them to process and then give us the feedback. Sometimes all this delay is boiled down to network issues and other stuff. Okay, I'm getting an email alert that says that everything is in order. So now they are saying that thank you for your purchase. So that means that we have purchased a hosting. So these are the steps that you need to follow to buy your domain and then hosting. We have so many ways to do it, but if you follow these steps, you are not going to have any problem at the end of the day. So follow the steps, watch the videos one by one, and then you'll be able to do everything. And in case you have any challenge, you can WhatsApp me through my number, and then I'll be glad to help you. So this is the purchase summary again that we made. My bank store is alerting me. So they are saying that a NameCheap order summary. Thank you for choosing NameCheap. Yes, a summary of your order. So these are whatever it is talking, and then the amount is 18.44 cents. And if you scroll down, you have everything spelled out. So this is how you can purchase a hosting and then a domain. So the next video that is yet to come is to explore our cPanel and then set the ball in motion. So thank you for watching, and then I hope to see you in the coming videos. Thank you. Bye.